Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. I promised to post a Web3 survey website whereby you can earn their crypto token, which you can convert to USDT and send it to your Binance account or to your USDT buyer and get your money. So without wasting time, let's get into the video, main topic of the video, main site of the video today. And the site today is called JumpTask. JumpTask has so many ways of earning. They have tasks. You can complete a lot of tasks here: watching videos, playing games, doing following accounts on X, watching YouTube videos and getting paid, installing Honeygain applications on your devices. You can see the front page here. You can do tasks and get paid, micro tasks and get paid, staking. I'm going to talk about their staking options later, surveys and Honeygain. There are so many ways of earning. So this is the site called JumpTask. I know most are wondering, how do I make money from this site? So JumpTask support many countries. Let's click sign up here. Under sign up here, they don't have a limitation of countries. Whichever country you are in, whether in the USA, UK, Africa, any African country, you can just come here and sign up. You can sign up either using your Gmail, either using your Facebook or your Apple ID, or you can connect using a wallet. A wallet, those people who know cryptocurrency, we have many types of wallet. We have MetaMask, we have OKX wallet. We have what? We have so many kind of wallets. So signing up and logging in is a very simple process. So for now, since I already have an account, let me click login. You see, this is the same page. The sign up page and the login page is the same. So let me click connect. So you can see here, you can connect using Coinbase wallet, Binance wallet, Trust wallet, and there's another wallet here, MetaMask, OKX wallet, and you can use Wallet Connect. If your wallet is not on your device, if you click Wallet Connect, it gives you a code which you can scan using your wallet from your mobile device. Those people who are in cryptocurrency are familiar with this feature. So for now, I'm using OKX wallet. And in case your wallet extension is not here, you can click on all wallets, and you can see they support like 400 plus wallets here. So you're going to see the list of all possible wallets. You see, if you can't find your wallet among the first list, you can click here and you can see even they support even Bybit wallet extension, so many of them here. Just search your wallet here and you're going to get it. So me, I'm using OKX wallet, so I'm just going to log in by clicking on that wallet. Then I've installed the extension on my browser, on my Chrome browser. So I'm just going to connect. You see, request from JumpTask, they want to connect to my wallet, and it's very safe. They can't steal your tokens or something because it's not getting your seed phrase. So you can see now I'm connected. So if you go to my OKX wallet here, it will show you that, you see, it will show you that I'm connected to app.jumptask.io. So, and I'm connected to I'm using BSC Smart Chain. So that's it. That's about registering and connecting your wallet. But if you're not familiar with cryptocurrency, you can connect using the other options I showed you earlier. So the first column here is earn column here. Obviously, when you register to the site, you want to make money. So there are so many ways you can complete this game. Raid, you can complete so many tasks which are going through here, preview. So you can go through this offer wall, hang ads, time wall. You can see they have a leaderboard, partners. You can click on this partners here, revenue universe, Torox, MMM wall, add to wall, apps price. You can click any of them to start earning. Also, they have social media tasks. These are very quite easy. Also, they have play to earn, whereby you play a game and get a points. For example, one JumpTask token or coin is equivalent to $1. That's why you get one weight of them is equivalent to $118. Another cool thing about JumpTask website, you are paid in form of JumpTask coins or tokens, and JumpTask have their own coin called jmpt rewards, and which is already listed on CoinMarketCap, and it's available on various chains like Binance Smart Chain. You see, it's available here on various chains. Here. Sorry, it's available on various chains. If you click here, you're going to see it's on Celo, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and Ethereum. So, in case you don't know the wallet and you have withdrawn your funds and you cannot see your JMT token, just come here. For example, if you're in BSC Smart Chain, just come here, copy this contract address and add that particular coin on your wallet. So you can see they have a coin and it is valued at 1.09 per coin. Very easy. So once you get this coin in your wallet, like here, like OKX wallet here, I'm jumping to the end of the video because this is very important. You see, once I withdrew some time ago to get JMPT token. This one here. You see, I received this one on July 22nd, 2024. I was to do this video earlier, but I've been busy. So you can see I received 1.723 JMT tokens on July 22nd, 2024, and this is the value of the JMT token. Now, depending on the wallet you're using, you can swap this amount here to USDT. For example, now if you want to swap this, I'll just click here, swap on my wallet of OKX wallet, like that. Remember, I'm using Binance Smart Chain, Binance Chain. This is the recommended chain to withdraw from JumpTask website. So for now here, if I want now to withdraw, just click here, and I'll be getting around 1.876 USDT. But right now I don't want to sell my JMPT. I want to accumulate a lot of them. And if you're using Binance Smart Chain, always make sure you have some BNB on your wallet to cover for the transaction fees. I've jumped to the dealing with the JMT tokens because those are the main paying currency on JumpTask site. Hope you have seen what I've done. So if you're paid one weight JumpTask tokens, withdraw them to any wallet you're using under BSC Smart Chain. You can swap them to USDT very easily, the way I've shown you earlier. Also, you can watch to earn. That's why I've said this site can be used for anybody in whichever country you are in. If you're good in watching videos, just come here, watch the videos, all the tasks here for the watching videos, and you get compensated for your time. So if you're not good in doing surveys, there are simple tasks, playing games, very easy social media tasks, and watch and earn, entertainment. You can just sign up for this US mobile and whatever. They also have quick tasks like someone promoting hamster combat here, because remember this site is a cryptocurrency site. It's a Web3 based site in short. And then to make matters even more sweeter, they have surveys, and they have two platforms, InBrain and CPX Research. So for those good in doing surveys, you can register in whichever country you are in, come to InBrain or CPX Research and complete your surveys and get paid in JMPT tokens, which later you can withdraw through your wallet or whichever way you want to spend them. And remember, for you to ask to once you create a new account, the surveys options are not active until you complete one of the offers here. So for you to access the survey wall, for now I am able to access because I've already done the tasks. You are supposed now to come here, choose one of the tasks here, either watch to earn, play to earn, social media tasks. This is the best recommended. Once you complete this task, only one task, the survey option will be enabled to your account. So if you scroll down, there are so many offers you can do depending on the country you are in. You can complete all these things. You can click entertainment, featured, finance, all the types of offers you can think of. They're all here. You see, everything is self-explanatory. Just go to the site, go to they keep on warning because they are fake pages, they are fake websites imitating JumpTask. So make sure your URL is reading app.jumptask.io. I'll post the link to registration under the video description so that you can be able to show that you're accessing the best site. So I know you're wondering if I have found only the site. So let me go here. Today I'm just concentrating on the earn option. I'm only concentrating on the earn option because they're most relevant for my users. The other options here are for other things. So today I'm just concentrating on the earn feature here. There are Web3 versions. These are for people who know cryptocurrencies. You can go and explore the other options. So under my profile here, let's go to my transactions. I've not been very active here because I'm busy on other sites. So you can see the withdrawal I showed you earlier. I completed the withdrawal on 22nd July 2024. I've been so busy with other survey sites. That's why I've not been able to come and do more cash outs here. So this one is the withdrawal, is the one I showed you earlier on my OKX wallet. I've installed the OKX wallet extension. You see, this one is this one. I showed little stuff which I've tried and tested before I even come to tell you guys I've tested out the site. So that's it. That's how you withdraw, and the withdrawal is instant. If you're withdrawing using Binance Smart Chain, BSC, the withdrawal or the cash out is usually instant. My withdrawal did not take even more than 5 minutes. It was actually very instant. So if you want to withdraw now, for example, for now I cannot be able to withdraw here because I don't have available balance. And the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.5 jmpt, which is equivalent to around $0.5. And the withdrawal is instant. So you can see the tasks which I've done. You see, I was just clicking around after I first discovered it. And also they have another survey wall called Opinion Gold, but only displays one survey for 24 hours. Very, very, very high paying, but does not display surveys frequently. Mine got removed because I'm not active. I just completed one survey. I've never done it again. So you can see other InBrain, I got disqualified a lot of times because I was not paying much attention to it. I was just clicking around trying to test their surveys. So you can see I was actually working on this site. So I've only told you the good things about JumpTask, but the only disadvantage about JumpTask, if you complete a survey, for your balance to appear here under your earnings, it is going to take about 72 hours for your reward to appear here. But the first time you are doing a task here on this site, it will take 72 hours for it to appear here. But once you get used to working on this particular site and they are used to your work and you do quality job, it will be taking even less than 24 hours for your reward to appear here. But once your reward appear under the earnings and you go to withdraw, the cash out is very, very instant. There is no delay, there is no monkey business. Once your earnings are approved and they appear under earnings here, your cash out is very instant. So this is a survey site, or the GPT site, which I wanted to, a Web3 GPT site, which I wanted to introduce to you people. You can explore it. I'm not able to give you all the details regarding this site, but you can click the link under the video description, go to the site, discover yourself what you can do depending with your country, depending with your IPs or proxies, whichever you're using, and see which option can make you money. Remember, for those people doing surveys, to access the survey offer walls, you have to complete tasks. First of all, you have to complete at least one task above in order for your survey wall to be enabled. So that's the little update I had. Hope you enjoy it. And if you like my video content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share my channel with your friends and family, and I'll be very much grateful. So thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video.